Yes, now we are doing nutrition in humans. Nutrition in humans. Humans are omnivorous and they can eat plant-based food as well as animal-based food. कोई सा भी फूड ले सकते हैं लाइक प्लांट्स भी हो सकते हैं और एनिमल्स भी हो सकते हैं. दे कैन ईट either plants or the animals. Okay, being more complex, humans have very complicated nutritional system. Digestive system has an alimentary canal, digestive gland. दो चीज़ें होती है, alimentary canal and digestive gland. Okay, there are 5 stages in the human nutrition. First is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. I am repeating once again, it is very important. 5 stages in the human nutrition. First is ingestion, when we intake the food. डाइजेशन, जब वो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स में स्मॉल स्मॉल कॉम्प्लेक्स से सिंपलर वन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, दैट इज डाइजेशन. एब्जॉर्प्शन, व्हेन द न्यूट्रिएंट्स गेट मिक्स्ड विद द ब्लड. Okay, that is absorption. Assimilation, body gets nutrients from the food. And egestion, removal of the waste material from the food. This is the whole process of the human nutrition. 4 stages, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption and ingestion, takes place in the alimentary canal, while assimilation takes place इन द होल बॉडी. एसिमिलेशन जो होता है वो पूरी बॉडी में होता है. बाकी के जो 4 पार्ट्स है कौन कौन से, इंजेशन, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड इजेशन, दे टेक्स प्लेस इन द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल ओनली. Okay, first of all, alimentary canal in human is a long tube of varying diameter. It is a long tube of varying diameter. It starts on the mouth and ends with the anus. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are the part of alimentary canal. Okay, so first comes with the mouth. Mouth is the opening from which we intake our food. Whatever we eat get mixed with the saliva. Saliva has salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, what does it, does the digestion of the starch. Salivary amylase causes the digestion of starch. That's why we can say that digestion starts in the mouth. Okay, all in this process, our tongue, our teeth helps, all helps. Okay, teeth cut the food into very small particles, cut, tear and massacre the food we eat. Okay, and then the food comes into the esophagus. Esophagus is a swollen food tube. Okay, it is 25 centimeter long. Its length is 25 centimeter long with a sphincter at each end. फूड पाइप है उसके ऊपर वाले पे भी और नीचे वाले पे स्फिंक्टर लगा होता है ताकि 1 वे एंट्री हो, 2 वे एंट्री ना हो. जो खाया वो बाहर ना आए, जो भी खाया वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में चला जाए. ठीक है. इट्स फंक्शन इज टू ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड एंड फ्लूइड आफ्टर बीइंग स्वेलोड फ्रॉम द माउथ टू द स्टमक. जो भी चीज़ हमने स्टमक माउथ से ली है उसको स्टमक तक पहुंचाने का काम करता है. द फूड इज पुश डाउन बाय द पेरिस्टोल्टिक मूवमेंट. पेरिस्टोल्टिक मूवमेंट क्या होती है, देखो मान लो कोई पानी वाली पाइप है, उसके हमने मार्बल डाल दिया उसमें. ठीक है, उस मार्बल को एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक पहुंचाना और वो फिटेड है पूरा, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ऐसे 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 कर करके उसको दूसरे एंड तक पहुंचा दें. सो this movement is known as peristaltic movement. This is the quality of the alimentary canal, to contract relax to move the food from one end to the another end. This movement is known as peristaltic movement and this process is called peristalsis. Okay, then stomach, then food reach to the stomach. Stomach is a thick walled bag like structure. It receives food from the mouth. It has a lining which secretes mucus every time. म्यूकस सिक्रेट करते रहता है. म्यूकस क्या करता है, हमारे फूड को थोड़ा बाइंडिंग करता है, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट बना देता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो रिलीजिंग द एसिड. इट ऑलवेज रिलीजिंग एसिड to kill the bacteria which we are ingesting during the eating. And also it makes acidic media for the action of various enzymes. So this is the function of the stomach, and it is also a storage place for the food. Food resides here for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, the acid which is releasing is hydrochloric acid. Enzymes present in the gastric juice break down the food. Okay, then food enters into the small intestine. Small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is the longest part of alimentary canal, about 20 feet long. कितनी है लेंथ इसकी? 20 feet long. जब इतनी बड़ी और लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का, देन वाई इट इज सेड दैट इट इज़ अ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन? its answer is due to its diameter, large intestine and small intestine. Small intestine का diameter कम होता है, large intestine का diameter ज़्यादा होता है. That's why it is called small intestine and that is called the large intestine. Okay, it has region. इस अलग अलग regions होते हैं small intestine में. Duodenum, the region which follows stomach. Jejunum is the middle part and ileum is the later region and continues further to the large intestine. The internal surface of the small intestine is folded and has finger-like projections called villi. Villi are the finger-like projections on which blood capillaries are coiled or entangled or coated with the ब्लड कैपिलरीज. ब्लड कैपिलरीज लगी होती है विलाई के ऊपर, तो जितना भी हमने खाना खाया तो उसका सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज हो जाता है. किसका? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का. जितना ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया होगा उतना ही ब्लड की कैपिलरीज उसके ऊपर लिपटी होंगी, उतना ही हमारा फूड जो है एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा, न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है बॉडी में ब्लड में चले जाएंगे. तो दैट टू इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया, इंटेस्टाइन इज डिजाइंड और नेचुरली डिजाइंड एज zigzag and finger like projections to increase the surface area. So, a common pancreatic duct from pancreas opens the duodenum. एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि पेनक्रियाज जो है वो क्या काम करता है, जब डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में क्या फंक्शन है उसका. सो पेनक्रियाज secretes pancreatic juices. Who receive the pancreatic juice? Duodenum receives. Duodenum is a part of small intestine. It receives the pancreatic juices. Most of the chemical digestion and absorption takes place in the small intestine. जितना भी absorption होता है और digestion होता है वो कहाँ हो जाता है? सारा का सारा small intestine में हो जाता है. And then comes large intestine. Large intestine receives the undigested food. Undigested food होता है from which water is to be absorbed by the body, and it has two regions, colon and the rectum. Colon and rectum. The region of large intestine after ileum is called colon, and the rest and the last part is the rectum. Colon again has three regions: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. At the base of ascending colon, a small finger-like growth is called appendix. It is useless, totally useless appendix, but sometimes it gets swollen and create problem in the body. So this is all about the digestive system.